Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys affiliate marketing programs that you can earn up to $10 by just getting somebody to sign up. Now, this is amazing. The person doesn't need to buy anything. You just need to sign up. Just sign up for free trial and you get as much as $10 on some of these affiliate marketing programs. I'm going to be showing you guys all of this in today's video. Now, if you watch my previous videos about affiliate marketing, you will understand the fact that affiliate marketing, you have to actually get somebody to actually buy something before you get a commission. Now, what I'm going to be talking about today, that's why it is amazing. Like, I'm excited about it because all you need to do is to get your friends, right? Talk to them like literally to just sign up for these programs and you get paid for it. It is that simple. I'm going to be showing you a lot and I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can find more by yourself, guys. This is amazing. This is amazing. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Gerald Umeh, and what I do on this channel is basically show you how to make money online. So I find out things that work. I come right here and I show you exactly what I found so that you can do the exact same thing and get the exact same result, guys. That's how amazing this channel is, which is why I want to encourage you to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button so that when I drop awesome videos like this and around making money online, YouTube will send you a notification instantly, guys. So that said, let's go to my screen right now and let me show you these affiliate marketing programs. Where all you need to do is to sign up, is to get people to sign up, rather. Get them to sign up and you get paid for it. And let's go to my screen and get this show started, guys. So the first on the list is constant contact. Constant contact. Now, if you look at this affiliate program, you are going to see that when you refer your audience, like a friend, somebody that wants to buy, and drive leads and sales, generate revenue, right? Constant contact email marketing affiliate program. You can apply by clicking here, right? But before the application process, let me show you guys something real quick. So how does this work? Trusted by small businesses, bloggers, entrepreneurs for like 20 years, affiliate marketers and marketing. So simple to, number one, get started. Once you enroll, all you need is to place ads and link to constant contact on your website or whatever, Facebook, social media, everything I've been teaching you guys about affiliate marketing. You know, you can do that. And so how do you get paid? Right? You get paid, you earn $5 for each referral that signs up for a trial. Now, this person doesn't necessarily have to become a paying customer before you start earning. But if this person becomes a paying customer, of course, you're going to get $105 when they pay for a new account. But that is not what we are focusing on in this video, because I told you that in this video I'm going to show you how to earn up to $10 per sign up with these affiliate marketing programs, guys. So if you look at this place, you're going to see that you're going to be getting $5 for getting somebody to sign up. So you can literally register for this affiliate program, get your friends to sign up for it, and you get paid for it. Now, you can track your referrals from the dashboard and stuff. So what you need to do is to click on the first link shown box below. Now, all the affiliate opportunities I'm going to be talking about in this video, the links are going to be in the description of this video below, right? So, yeah, exactly. So you can just click on apply now, right, to start the application process. So you click here, affiliate agreement, go through it and sign up for this. And of course, you can get started. So this one, the affiliate program, I think is with cj.com, which is formerly Commission Junction, right? You click on I accept and start the process. Now, this is number one. And like I told you, I'm going to be telling you about several. And at the very end, I'm going to be showing you how to find more by yourself. So that's why it's important for you to stay with me to the very end of this video, because you can easily make $100 every day with this. So what you need to do is to find one of these ones that actually pays you about $10 for getting somebody to sign up, and get 10 persons to sign up every day. You don't necessarily have to buy anything, just sign up and you get $100 every day. That's how simple it is. So let's look at the next one, which is Pluralsight affiliate. Now, Pluralsight is just like Udemy. It's a platform where people come to learn. You know, there are a lot of courses on this platform, so you can start promoting this easily. Now, what you need to do is to click on the physical link you don't put below, which is pluralsight.com/affiliate. Once you click on it and you come all the way down here, you click on start today and continue with the sign up process. But before that, let me show you exactly how this works. So as a partner, you can actually get your links, banners and links, and your creatives, and place it for people to click on it and blah blah blah. But look at the commission structure. Now, we make our commission structure simple so you can focus on your own business. Now, they pay you $5 for getting somebody to sign up for a free trial, guys. Now, this is amazing. This is amazing, right? I do not know any other definition of amazing if this is not what it is. So of course, monthly subscription, you can get all this money, but what I'm focusing on right now is this one. So just get somebody to sign up. You can literally chat people up on Facebook right, and tell them to please sign up for this with their email account, and once they sign up, you get paid for it. This is how simple it is. So let's look at the third one, which is Skillshare Affiliate. Right, Skillshare is a learning platform just like Udemy also, and look at this one. You can earn $7 for every new customer you refer to Skillshare. Right, so you refer somebody and they just sign up for an account and you get $7. This is how amazing it is. So you refer somebody, every new customer you refer to Skillshare. You partner with like-minded brands and blah blah. So you can basically go on Twitter and tell people to sign up. So what you need to do is to click on the third link box below, bring you to Skillshare, and you click on join free, and get started, sign up for an account basically, right? You click on Skillshare, you sign up for an account, and you promote this and get people to sign up, and once they sign up, you get paid $7 instantly, guys. So if you can get 10 persons to do this every day, that's $70 easy on Skillshare, right? So let's say we are targeting like $5, 5 persons here, 10 persons here, this is $50, another 5 persons here, this is another $50, another 10 persons here, that's $70, right? So let's look at SCM Rush, which is the fourth one, and that's the fourth link box below. Now this is how it works. If you get somebody to sign up just for signing up, right, you get paid every step of the way. So you get somebody to sign up, and this is what's going to happen. For every new sign up, you get $0.01, right? And for every new trial, if that person actually signs up for a trial, you get $10 for getting the pick, for bringing the person in. Right? So that means that if you're able to bring 10 persons to just sign up for a new trial, you're going to be getting $100 easy in a day. Now imagine if you do this for 30 days, that would be a whooping $3,000 every day, every month, guys. Now this is amazing. This is the definition of amazing. So let's look at the fifth one, which is a FreshBook, right? I did this research specifically for you. Right, so if you watch this video and you don't implement this thing and you don't make money online, I don't think you can ever make money online. I can guarantee you that making money online is not for you. This is the video you need to watch, and this is what you need to do to start making money online instantly. So if you go to freshbooks.com/affiliate-program, and you click on join the affiliate program right here. Now let's see how much they pay. You see, trial sign up commission. You get paid every time someone signs up for a FreshBook trial using your affiliate link. How much you earn depends on where your lead comes from, but you can earn up to $10, which means if you bring in 10 persons in a day, that is a whooping $100 from FreshBooks. Now that person, if the person upgrades their upgrade, you get $200. Right, so this is amazing. So what you need to do is just come here and click on join the affiliate program, and sign up for an account and get started, and that's it, guys. So I'll be in my comment section actually, so if you have any questions, put it right there and I'll be here to answer all your questions about this. So the next one is Grammarly. Grammarly is something I use a lot, right? And the affiliate marketing is amazing. Everybody that writes on the internet uses this, so you can start promoting this right now. So let's look at their affiliate commission. Okay, this is it right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna okay, this is it right here. Yeah, so everybody you get to register for free, you get $0.20 for getting people to register on Grammarly. Right, so this is amazing. That means you're getting $20 for about 10 persons. Yeah, 10 persons, you're getting about $20 for this. So this is another interesting one, and their affiliate program is with CJ, so you can just click on become an affiliate and sign up for an account and start promoting Grammarly right now. So guys, this is what's going to happen. If there's a particular one that you are interested in, let me know in the comment section, and maybe I'll make a more elaborate video on that particular one. Focus on that one, show you how to sign up and how to actually promote it and how to actually make money on it. So we'll do it together in a video. So if that's something you're interested in, let me know in the comment section and I will consider making that video, guys. So the next one that we're going to be looking at is Ginger Software, right? Ginger Software. So all the links that I've mentioned are all in the shop of the video below. So this one, once you sign up in just a few seconds, you promote Ginger and you earn money. Now, how much do they pay? If you get somebody to register for free without paying, you're going to be getting $0.5, which is 5 cents, right? So Premium plan, if that person actually upgrades to a premium plan, you're going to be getting $20. So these are all amazing platforms. Now, like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys how to find more by yourselves, right? If you want more, there's a whole lot out there, and let me show you exactly how to find more by yourself. So I'm going to go to a website called Share a Sale. Now this is it right here. So I'm just going to log into Share a Sale right now. I come here and I come to affiliate login, right? Because I have an account. If you don't have an account already, just click on sign up and set up an account on Share a Sale. An affiliate account, actually, affiliate account. This is where you need to go, right? Affiliate sign up. So I'm going to come here and go to log in. Let me log into my affiliate account on Share a Sale. So okay, so this is it. I'm just going to Online Hustle TV, hit login. Okay, so it's logging me in. Just give it a while. So if you're getting any value from this video, I want to encourage you guys to hit subscribe button and notification button, because what I do on this channel is to give you real value. I make videos around making money online. So what you need to do is to make sure you click the bell notification button, so that when I drop awesome videos just like what you're watching right now, YouTube will send you a notification. Also, give this video a like, leave a comment in the comment section. You can just say thank you, Gerald, or go ahead and ask any question that you might have. So I'm logged into Share a Sale, and I'm just going to come here, scroll down a bit, and click on Go. Right, that's where merchant side search. I click on Go, which is here. I click on Go, and it's loading. Give it a while to finish up. Okay, beautiful. So what you need to do is to come to modify search, right? Leaving this place blank, you come to modify search, and click on per lead CPA. This is where you want to go, per lead seat CPA, right? And okay, per lead CPA. Okay, and click on go. So it's loading. Okay, beautiful. So you see all these programs right here, you can actually apply for them. So this one per lead is going to pay you $5, right, for getting somebody to sign up. This one I'm going to pay you $20 for getting somebody to sign up. This one I'm going to pay you $10 per lead. This is it right here. That's why you want to focus on the lead. $45 per lead. That's what Byte is going to pay you. Get somebody to sign up and you're getting $45, right? And this is $20 per lead, $75 per lead. Now this is a lot of money, guys, right? If you're getting $75 per lead, that means if you get 10 persons, that is $750. 10 persons, and that's $750. So this one right here is $40 per lead, right, and $40 per sale. H2O wireless. FreshBooks, I just showed you FreshBooks. It's one of the ones I just showed you here, the affiliate program. This is it right here. You can see it here again. They're paying $5 per lead. I mentioned it earlier. Vasium, Opli. So this is how to find more by yourself. Now, nobody will give you this kind of information on YouTube except me, because I am really interested in your welfare. When I say that I love you, I actually do, because I want us all to win together. I don't want to win alone. I could easily keep this information by myself and use it for myself, but no, I'm sharing it with you because I love you and I want us all to win together, guys. So if you love me back, let me know in the comment section, guys. Okay, so this is how to find more of these things by yourself and use it. So guys, I'm waiting for you in the comment section for all your questions. Until I see my next video, guys, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald actually does love you guys. Bye bye from here, guys.